Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Roblox martial art lesson. In this lesson today, we're going to go over some punching and kicking moves, but we're also going to talk about the history of Taekwondo and also answering the question, is Taekwondo karate? Are you guys learning karate or are you learning Taekwondo? Because I get some questions from your parents in the emails telling me, hey, you're counting in Korean, but you're calling it karate, right? You're calling your martial art karate, and sometimes you call it Taekwondo. What's the difference? Is it the same thing? What is the difference? So I'm gonna break down to you guys exactly the history of why I consider Taekwondo actually karate, okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys why, okay? So let's start with the very early history. So in 680 to 1480, which was a very long time ago, Subak, which is a fighting style in Korea, it was the main fighting style until 1300, evolving into Taekyon, which Taekyon is a very ancient practice of dance. It's kind of like capoeira. If you don't know what capoeira is, it's a secret fighting technique that was evolved through dance movements. It's kind of vague, meaning it's kind of not sure if this is actually what was a martial art or if it was just a common dance practice, but there were punching and kicking in these dance moves. So some people think that maybe Taekyon was the original version of Taekwondo. And then what happened is that until 1909, Taekyon was practiced. Taekyon was practiced as a martial art. It was practiced as a way to learn different punches and kicks, and it was very popular in Korea. However, from 1909 to 1945, Japan invaded Korea, right? And they banned all forms of Subak and Taekyon. So all the martial arts that the Koreans did, it was gone. They weren't allowed to practice it. And then what happened is that in 1945, towards the end of World War II, Korea was liberated from Japan, and they started slowly introducing the Korean martial arts. Now, what ended up happening is that during this time period from 1909 to 1945, a lot of the Japanese martial arts were being taught in Korea. And what ended up happening is a lot of the Korean masters, a lot of Korean teachers were taking things from karate and were using them in their own style. So what ended up happening is that we got a combination of both Taekyon and karate put together. Now, some people may argue one of the most interesting facts about karate is that one of its founders was actually Korean. Okay, he was actually somebody that escaped and went to Japan. He lived in Japan and was actually named Choi Bae-dal. Now, Choi Bae-dal was actually Korean, but he was one of the founders of a very popular martial art called Kyokushin Karate, right? And his name was Matsuyama, right? So that's the thing. Like, if it's different, right? But we all come from the same tree, and I would say the same tree is either Taekwondo or karate because we all have similar martial arts styles, and that's how the world should be, right? Everyone's always together. We all come from the same place, right? We're all human beings, and we all move and punch in different ways, but we still punch and kick. So we're basically very similar. So that's the history of Taekwondo and also the history of karate. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's get started with the lesson. Shall we? Awesome. All right, let's start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. Everyone say hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good. Awesome. All right, start rotating arms. Ready? hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good. Going the other way now. hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good. All right, turning left and right. Everyone say hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Awesome. Good. All right, hands on the knees. Good. Everyone start rotating your knees like this. Right. hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Other way now. hana, 둘, set, net, toss it. Good. Awesome. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Good. Chariot. Kinya. Awesome. All right, in today's lesson, here's what we're going to practice. Having hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. Good. All right, we're going to practice one move. Okay, one move, but we're going to make sure we get it down really well, okay? So we're going to practice this move. We're going to practice a twist kick. Okay, so a front kick looks like this, right? A twist kick looks like this. You guys see the difference? Okay, so watch. We're going to have a little animation. You're going to see the line of my foot going straight up, and then you're going to see it curve. So watch the difference. Here's the front kick. The line goes straight up. Now here's a twist kick. You guys see the difference? Your knee comes up and it turns a little bit this way, and we kick up that way, okay? So let's practice that together. Ready? Let's go front kick, twist kick. Front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good. Again, front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good. One more time. Front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good. Now, if that's a little difficult, it's okay, we'll keep practicing. Let's do this leg now. Let's go front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good, good. Again, front kick, twist kick. Awesome, nice, good job, you guys. Again, front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good, good. One more, front kick, twist kick. Awesome, good, good. Okay, now, one of the easier ways to learn this kick is by practice something called chicken fighting, okay? So it sounds funny, but here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your foot, go and hop up, pick your foot like this. Now, see how my knee's pointing this way? When I say go, we're going to release our foot and throw the kick. We're gonna do 10 in a row. Ready? Everyone say hana. Good, nice. Try to keep your balance. If you need to put your hand on the wall, that's totally fine, okay? Ready? Do it. Good. Set. Good. Net. Good. Toss it. Good. Yas it. Good job. You go. Good job. You there. Good. A hope. Good. Well, that was a bad one. Ready? One more. Yeah. There you go. Good. Awesome. Awesome. See, I make mistakes too. Let's do the other leg now too. Pick up this knee. Good. And 10 on my count. Hana. Good job. Do it. Good. Set. Good. Net. Good job. Toss it. Good. Yas it. Good. You go. Good job. You there. Good. A hope. And you're awesome. Good. Now, if that was a little too fast for you, that's okay. Rewind the video or slow it down and then practice this move again, okay? You guys did a really good job today. Haven't tried it yet? Can you? Awesome. All right, I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye. Hey, homeschool parents. Are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.